Ho ho ho, okay, it's your main guy CBK, and just gonna make a little bit of a different type of video today. What I'm actually gonna be doing is actually setting up an environment where we can basically build out Ethereum contracts. All right, so this is something which it's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to create a series of videos, and the first thing really is getting your environment right, setting your environment up so you can actually start coding and code with me, and we can code together. We can make various different things. All right, so this is going to be the first video, and getting your environment set up, making sure that you've got everything that you need installed, and then we're going to then move on to basically building out some stuff with Ethereum. Maybe you want to fork a project, maybe you want to create an NFT, for instance, maybe whatever. I mean, there's so many DAOs out there. You might have an idea for a DAO. What I will say is I'm actually building up a team. Literally I've connected with a few people. I didn't get my words right. I've connected with a few people who are developers. Some of them are gamers. Like there's one guy that I spoke to earlier who's a gamer, and we had literally been having some good conversations about games that we can actually develop. I mean, you know what, if Gala think they're the only ones that can make it, listen, we can make it too. May not be as many as what Gala's got now, but I mean, we're gonna create some games, man. So I just want to say this while I'm actually saying that. So I've got a gamer, a VR developer on board. If there's any other gamers out there, programmers, stuff like that, reach out to me, join the Discord group. Add me as a friend, send a message and say, hey, you know what, I'm a gamer as well, I develop games, I'd love to be a part of the actual team. We're building a team, the core team, all right? So we're definitely looking for one more game developer. That'd be great. So then 2 people working on it can really just spit this stuff out and actually be a direct competition to Gala. Wouldn't that be great? And you know what, even have nodes, right? That is literally just like Gala, right? Actually create nodes where people can make residual income, and that's something which we're going to discuss, and actually I can then basically code that into the actual contract. But anyway, just before I start and get into the whole setting up the environment, so I just want to say, yeah, if there's any gamers out there, coders who know how to code games, then please do reach out. I was speaking to him earlier, and I think he said something like Unreal Engine, if that makes any sense to you. If you know anything about Unreal Engine, or you guys will know what that is. Whatever you use to create games, then get in touch and look, let's talk. Let's create a core team underneath an umbrella, a business, a real registered business, and let's just get these projects out there. All right. Also need designers. I need a website designer, right? Somebody that's proficient with HTML, CSS. Would be good if you know about Web3 and Node.js, even though I have got someone on board that can actually do that. But if not, then you know what? Brilliant. If all you know is HTML and CSS and you're really good and you want to be a part of a team, get in touch. Just let me know. Join the Discord group. Let us know. If not, then that's fine. Yeah, because majority of the projects that we're going to create anyway can pretty much get away with a lot of templates that's out there. But we do need designers, people that can actually draw out stuff, on CAD or whatever you guys use, to actually design images, pictures, characters, stuff like that. Definitely going to need that. So we need designers, a website designer, a gamer. We're pretty much full with Solidity developers. There's about 4 of us now, including me. There's 3 other Solidity developers, the back-end Solidity developers that we've got as a part of the team. So we don't really need any more Solidity. Thank you guys for my current team that I've got there. So we need one more gamer, and we need a website designer, and we need graphic designers. Definitely we need maybe 1 or 2 graphic designers that want to be a part of a team building out projects and actually be a part of the core founders of the business. If that's where, if you see yourself working for a company, or being a part of a company, more than working for a company, actually building out a company of, just like Gala, pushing out games, pushing out projects. And this sounds like this is something that you want to do. Get in touch, drop your comments underneath the video, join the Discord group also, and add me as a friend, and we'll make that connection, and then I can add you into the small team that we have, where we're strategizing and putting things together that we can develop moving forward. All right, so that's basically it. So let's just get into creating this environment. This is very important. So right, so what we're going to do, obviously, I'm actually using Visual Studio Code. That's what I generally use to write out a lot of the stuff that I actually create. All right, so Visual Studio Code is where you want to start. All right, so that's the first thing. Now I'm going to navigate to hardhat.org, because that's what we're actually going to be using. So we're going to be using Hardhat. Now, if you are a beginner, you might want to consider maybe concentrating on Truffle, because Truffle's a lot easier than Hardhat. But you know, if you want to follow me, you know, line by line, code by code in that sense, then this is, you know, just you can work along with me. All right, you might not understand everything, but at least you can actually build out some projects. So let's just go ahead. I've navigated to hardhat.org, and what we're looking for is, let me just go down. We're looking for how to get this installed. Run Solidity locally, debugging first. So this is what Hardhat actually does. Extreme flexibility, bring your own tools, blah blah blah, fully extensible plugin ecosystem. It's everything's here. I mean, this really is for professional coders. All right, so let's just go ahead and just see what we need to do to get this installed. So let's just basically, so let's just get started here. All right, so we are looking for installation, aren't we? All right, here we go. So we need to type in npm install. So what we can go ahead and do is I can basically make this so much easier and just copy this here text, you see. All right, and then we're going to go back to our window, and we're just going to go, there you go. Right, npm install. So let's just click that, click enter. Right, so the term npm is not recognized as the name of a commandlet function strip. Okay, so I know what that is. All right, so okay, yeah, sorry, we had that error because basically we needed to install node.js. So you need to go ahead and install node.js, and all you need to do really is go over to this here website here. Look, and I'll show you where it is. So you need to go over here, and it's nodejs.org. Now you need to download what for your system. So obviously I'm installing it on a Windows laptop, and I've got 64 bits. So you need to go ahead and just download whatever one that you use. And if you're using Mac, you need to install for Mac. If you're using Windows, you need to install for Windows, right? So that is it. So basically we're gonna come back here, look, right? And you're gonna, once you've installed that and it's completed, you then need to go ahead and we're gonna now run this command, npm install --save.dev, and then it's Hardhat. So let's just go ahead and hit enter on that. And that's basically, now we've got Node.js installed. That will now install the package that we need. All right, so let's just wait for that to do what it's doing. This will take some time, but yeah, we just need to wait for this to complete. Excellent. Okay, so I'll pause this and I'll be right back. Okay, so we've got some npm audit fixes that we can actually do, right? So he's basically letting you know that this is what you need to do to go ahead and fix some of these issues. All right, so to address all issues, run npm audit fix, and it literally tells you what you need to type out. So let's just go ahead and just write npm audit fix. Hit return. And let's just wait for that to do what it's doing. Alright, so to address all issues, including breaking changes, run npm audit fix. And so we go ahead and do that. So npm audit fix force. I'm just going to make sure that it's all up to date. There is no little errors and warnings and stuff like that. So, okay, brilliant. That's about it. So it goes ahead. It says, please update to make directory ix. Note that the API service has changed to use promises in 1x. Okay, so that's normally standard anyway. Found 0 vulnerabilities, which is great. That's what we want to hear. And audited 10 packages in 10 seconds. So that sounds pretty good. So yeah, we are there now, and we'll be ready. We are ready now to build out some applications. All right, here we go. So we've done this. To use your local installation of Hardhat, you need to use npx to run it. So i.e. npx Hardhat, right? So let's just go ahead and we can see what else we got here. So quick start. This guide will explore the basics of creating a Hardhat project. Hold on. Run your tests and run Hardhat network, a local development network you can deploy your contracts to. To create your Hardhat project, run npx Hardhat in your project folder. So you need to create a folder, then you're going to run npx Hardhat. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it for now. We're not really going to create a project, so I just wanted to basically show you guys how you can get your environment ready. So what you need is you need Visual Code, right? So now that you've installed this on your system, you've got Hardhat, you've got Node.js, and you've got Hardhat installed, and you've got Visual Studio Code installed. Your environment is literally done, and now you're ready to create projects. All right, so listen, this has been your boy CBK. This is the beginning of us building out projects. If you've got any suggestions of projects that you want me to build or for us to build, yeah, then just drop it down in the actual comment area. Give this video a thumbs up, give it a share, give it a like. All right, and yeah, this is the beginning of you learning Solidity so that you can become a programmer. All right, anyway, catch you guys soon, man. Catch you next one. Peace. Your boy's out. Bye.
Yo.